Configuring your house or apartment with various plants can feel like an elaborate puzzle. However, this list of low-light houseplants will remove the worry of finding the sunniest spot in your home and inspire your green thumb. Let's start with the heartleaf philodendron. This lush plant will take you to the tropics without the bright light requirements of tropical plants. Its long dangling vines make it perfect for a perch spot in your home. This resilient plant can survive in low light, low humidity, and infrequent watering. Next is the Chinese evergreen, which is resilient in low light conditions. This plant has lance-shaped leaves and can grow up to 3 feet tall. As far as watering, give it a drink when the soil on top feels dry. When purchasing this plant, ensure it has dark green leaves. Pink or red leaves will require more light. The peace lily is one of the best options for low-light flowering plants. They have bright green, glossy leaves and white oval-shaped flowers. Unlike other flowering plants, it doesn't require a lot of light. However, the plant requires a little more watering. Always ensure the soil is moist. Pothos is a common beginner plant. It's hardy, easy to care for, and doesn't require much light. It's also pest resistant, and different varieties come with bonus benefits. For example, the jade pothos is drought tolerant, and the golden pothos has yellow and chartreuse foliage. The lucky bamboo is appropriately named because it's said to bring good fortune and luck to your home. It thrives in shady areas and even acts as a natural air purifier, eliminating toxins in your home. It also acts as a natural humidifier. Finally, the bromeliad is a rare tropical plant that can survive in low light conditions or on fluorescent light alone. It thrives in humid environments, making it a perfect plant to brighten up the bathroom. Bromeliads are happy being watered every 1 to 2 weeks. In the winter, you can water them 1 to 2 times a month. Plants are a great way to brighten up the home. For beginners, this list is sure to inspire you to add some vibrancy to your rooms without the high maintenance. For more information on the innovations that are shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com or check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages.